we're here to talk about winterizing your Fishhook camper. Really, winterizing goes the same for any of our campers here at Cache Camper, whether it's a Fishhook or not, as long as it has the core system of the Fishhook. It's extremely simple and very easy. So, we're going to start with the batteries. Batteries, fully charged batteries cannot freeze. So, just make sure that you get a good charge on them. 12.9, 12.8 is where the battery bank rests on these campers. So just do that. Usually the solar has already got it charged up. If not, go ahead and charge it up with the power converter. Once those are done, you just leave them in the camper all year. No need to remove them. They are going to handle the winter just fine. Next, go ahead and shut off the knob. You're going to go ahead and push that in. The battery disconnect, it's right underneath the dinette here. Push that in. Now the entire system is disconnected from the batteries and cannot kill them. However, you're still going to want to shut off the furnace and the cooler. Make sure just everything, all switches are shut off, just in case for whatever reason that battery disconnect is forgotten. Go ahead and shut everything off. Next, go ahead and crack the cooler lid. You'll want that to be able to air out. You don't want to get it musty in there. Then the propane, remove the propane tank ideally. If not, at least shut the propane tank off and disconnect it from the camper. That next is going to be your water jug. Take that out along with the toilet. No need to leave those in there unless they're completely empty, and then they can stay. After that, go ahead and close the windows and the vent. Everything needs to be latched fully, the vent nice and sealed tight. Then going outside, you're going to lower the camper down and make sure that it's about 2 feet off the ground. Make sure that the front of the camper is in fact higher than the back. That way there's no chance for it to fall forward. And then the roof, snow load. You're going to want to make sure that the roof does not have any snow. Clear it off. Follow the 5 to 8 inch rule. That's wise. And we recommend cleaning it off with a broom rather than a shovel or anything of that nature. Stand on a ladder, preferably from the side, nice and safe and secure, and sweep that snow off, gently pushing it off. And make sure you don't damage any of the components like the solar. A lot of people ask us about tarps covering the camper. We recommend against that because tarps actually act as though they are a sandpaper on the corner. It's really hard to actually stop them from rubbing the corners dry, smooth of paint or of sealant. So go ahead and leave that alone. Also, it takes all of the snow load and it puts it directly onto the components on the roof, like the vent itself. It pulls it tight. Just too much pressure in the wrong area. So we recommend against that. But really, after that, just keep the snow drifts off of the camper. Keep the camper low. We recommend against putting it on barrels or on pallets or anything like that. Just put pads underneath each foot. Make sure it's in a good level area. Make sure the camper is in fact level if the ground is not level. And then just keep the snow from drifting up from underneath it. But then that's pretty much it when it comes to winterizing your Fishhook, or again, any Cache camper. They're very simple campers, and they're designed to be just that. Not really much, and you can also just, as soon as you're ready to go out again, it's ready in 10 minutes. So that really is the core idea behind it. No water system, nothing in it that is gonna hurt you.